So this is our 5th year of our cooking competition between our middle schoolers, and we have gotten better every single year. But the best part is the bragging rights, and then the fact that those dishes get served at the schools with the name of the winning school and the recipe and all of that. So the kids have really enjoyed that.
So today was our annual cooking competition, and our students work on this starting from January all the way up until today, the culminating event, learning about food nutrition, food safety, meal prepping, cooking techniques, all kinds of different things go into this project.
Teamwork. Teamwork will be the first step for them. And then learning.
So I think that's another good skill that they get, because it's one thing to cook by yourself. It's a whole different experience to cook as a team. And so just a plug for our profile of a graduate competencies, that really leans into our collaboration.
We just got done judging the event and picking our winner for the lunch menu. So the winners are Rolling Hills Middle School, and they picked a dish called Cheesy Goodness. It's a pasta dish, and they came up with the name really by trial and error. They put too much cheese in their dish and said, you know, it's better like this, so we're just going to call it Cheesy Goodness. So, we love this event just because how happy the kids are to do it. And, you know, a lot of kids don't have that basic cooking skill at home, so they get to learn at school and, you know, become cooks on their own, in their own right. So
It's like really just a great opportunity to build a new skill, or maybe even introduce them to a new passion that they didn't know they had.